Welcome to episode number 48, and there is a lot of scrap which is ready for dispatch. So we are targeting it in a day or two. Moving ahead to the work, you all very well know this area is the passage and the open kitchen area. So this is the base platform structure for the kitchen countertop. The false ceiling framework, electrical conduiting is going on. There is this side wall tiling which is in progress now. We are focusing on the wall tiling for the kitchen area. So what you see is the framing and the wall tiling. So we have used very subtle colors. The theme of this house is almost grayish white. This is the kitchen, this is the sink counter base platform for that. So I have already showcased a video on the adhesive which we are using here in this project. So if not, you can go to that and see the reason being selecting a different adhesive here. Now I had also mentioned that we are gearing up for the flooring work. So we were actually preparing the flooring bed. So the flooring bed for the kids bedroom is all set. What you see here, it is a complete leveled flooring bed which is kept for setting. Ceiling is again due for false ceiling installation, so replastering and then basic painting was done. This is the master bedroom also, the bedroom flooring bed is completed. This is the ceiling which was replastered and painted. So guys, stay tuned because now we'll be moving ahead with the flooring work and advances of the kitchen element as well. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.